Hello friends, my name is Prakhar Singh and now you are watching my channel Knowledge Booster by VIP. Friends, in India people speak different languages, eat different types of foods, celebrate different types of festivals and follow different types of religions. Yes, this is all under the diversity. Friends, in today's video we will discuss about diversity in India and with the examples of Kerala and Ladakh. And we will also discuss what is unity in diversity. Now let us see one by one. Diversity in India means having different cultures, religions, languages and ethnic groups. Now let us see Kerala. Kerala is located at the southwest corner of India and is characterized by its coastal geography and hilly terrain. Spices like pepper, cloves and cardamoms are grown here. The region's abundance of spices attracted traders. Arab and Jewish traders were the first to arrive, followed by Apostle Saint Thomas, which credited with bringing Christianity to India around 2000 years ago. The Arab traders also settled in Kerala with Ibn Battuta, a renowned traveler, describing the highly respected Muslim community during his visit nearly 700 years ago. Kerala played a significant role in the global trade, notably with the discovery of the sea route to India by Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese explorer. The historical influences in Kerala have led to diverse religious landscape including Judaism, Islam, Christianity, Hinduism and Buddhism. The region's fishing net, resembling Chinese fishing net known as Chinavala, and other items like frying utensils also bearing the name Chin in them, possibly indicating the Chinese influences. Kerala's fertile land and favorable climate support rice cultivation, with the majority of population consuming rice, fish and vegetables. Now let us see about Ladakh. Ladakh, located at the eastern part of Jammu and Kashmir, it is a mountainous desert and characterized by minimal rainfall and extensive snow covers for much of the year. Due to the harsh climate, agriculture is limited and the region supports very few trees. Drinking of water comes from melted snow during the summer months. The diet of people in Ladakh consists mainly of meat and milk products such as cheese and butter from animals like goats, cows and yak cows. Caravans carrying textile, spices, raw silk and carpets through Ladakh. Buddhism reached Tibet via Ladakh, referred as Little Tibet. Islam was introduced in Ladakh over 400 years ago, resulting in a significant Muslim population. Ladakh boasts a rich oral tradition where locals performing the national epic Kesar Saga. It reflects the cultural diversity and heritage shared by both Muslims and Buddhists. Now let us see both Kerala and Ladakh. Kerala and Ladakh, despite their contrasting geographical features, share similar historical influences from the Chinese and Arab traders. Kerala's geography facilitated spice cultivation, where Ladakh's unique wool drew traders to the region. Community are diverse, with people from various backgrounds living together in a neighborhood. Daily lives involve sharing different traditions, cultures and fostering a rich tapestry of cultural exchange and interaction. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre, where unarmed protesters were brutally killed, led to composition of millions of songs and symbols, honoring the memory of the victims and highlighting the unity among Hindus, Muslims and Sikhs. Nehru coined the phrase unity in diversity to encapsulate India's essential unity, where diverse religious landscape coexist harmoniously within the nation. India's national anthem, composed by Rabindranath Tagore, which serves as another expression of the unity, symbolizing the collective identity and spirit of the nation. Friends, now I hope that you got an idea about the diversity in India. Thank you for watching this video on my channel Knowledge Booster by VIP.